ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶ್ರೀ ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಣಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೋಚ್, ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಮೀಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನರ್. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪೂಜಾ ಇಜಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೋಚ್, ದ ಟ್ರೈನರ್, ಮೀಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನರ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಯೋಗ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರು, ನಿಮ್ದು ವೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಟ್ ನೀವು ವೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಡ ನಿಮಗ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಿಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಹರ್. ನಾವು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿವಾರ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ನಮ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೋಚ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೇಳೋರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥವ್ರಿದ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ನಾ ಇವತ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಇರುವುದು ಬೆಳಗಾವದೊಳಗ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಗಾವದವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೀತಲ್ ರಾಜ್ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್, ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಕಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಹಾಯ್ ಪೂಜಾ, I have heard lot about you from my friends, particularly about weight loss. So can I know, and my viewers want to know, how did you start this weight loss coach, and what was your inspiration to be a weight loss coach?
Uh, as everyone has the same experience, it comes from our own experience.
Okay.
I was also struggling with my weight. It was like I was.
Is it true?
yeah. I'm into this coaching from last 8 years, and 8 years back I was struggling with my weight. That at that time I was more conscious about my weight rather than my health.
Okay.
Then slowly, gradually, when I started losing my weight, I came to know, I understood that keeping your health also intact is very important. Then that journey from shifting from weight conscious to health conscious, that took me little time, but I digged in little bit more into the food science.
Okay.
And then that transition gave me the confidence of ki baba mi karu shakte to kuni pan karu shakta. Then I thought of sharing my knowledge with all other people, and this is how I got into weight loss coaching.
So exactly when did you start this?
Back in 2018.
So tell me brief about your journey. Like, you are not only the weight loss coach, you are a meal a trainer, you are a nutritionist, you are a yoga instructor, so you are multifaceted. So tell me brief about your journey.
When I thought of getting into weight loss coaching, I needed something base. I needed some foundation to get started with that. Then I slowly got into meal planning. Then I got certified meal planner.
Okay.
Then slowly I got into yoga. I am a trained yoga trainer. I am certified trained yoga trainer. Yes. Then slowly, when I started working with my clients, I understood that working mentally with them is very important and need of an hour at that moment. So I am a certified pranayama and meditation practitioner.
Okay.
So everything went step by step. As and when I thought the need is coming, I got into the training. I trained myself first, and then I started training my clients. And Coach was the training where I decided, and when the Coach trainer training gave me the confidence. Yes, to start my business, because asking money from someone is a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal. And how should I ask?
Yes.
How much should I charge my course? It all came from Coach. Coach is the king of all my certificates.
Yes. So as you said, it's very difficult for one to come into this business and ask money. So what were the challenges you faced initially? Now everyone knows, yes, if I'm going to Pooja Ijare, yes, I will have that results. But starting is very important.
Yes, Sheetal, as you know, I'm into service providing. Industry, I don't sell any product. I sell my service.
Only the results will speak.
Results will speak. So it was really very difficult because वजन आज कमी झालं तर ते उद्या उद्या वाढू शकतं ना. मग मी हिला काय एवढे पैसे देऊ? And everyone
That is
knows.
natural tendency.
Natural. And everyone knows how to lose weight. असं नाही की कुणाला माहित नाहीये, सगळ्यांना माहितीये. मग मी हिला का देऊ पैसे? This was a big challenge for me. But luckily I got 2-3 clients who were ready to pay me. They paid me, they got the results, and that is how gradually it went on.
Okay.
And now I'm pretty confident about my course, about my training. So बिंदास आज मी सांगू शकते की माझे एवढे fees आहेत.
Yes, you have that confidence now.
Yes. I confidence आहे and I have lot of results.
Results speak. No, that if you show the testimonials and all, everyone will believe. Yes,
Correct.
we can lose weight when we go to Puja Ijar.
Yes.
So, can you tell me what are the misconceptions women are having when they come to lose the weight?
Okay. First of all, when a woman comes to me, she comes with an thing that की मी पहिला पण खूप करून बघितलंय, माझं काय झालं नाही, आता ही आणि काय सांगणार आहे, बघून तर येऊया, भेटून तर येऊया, बोलू तर या आपण. दॅट इज लाईक फर्स्ट थिंग दे कम टू मी विथ दॅट. नाही, मी 10 वर्षापूर्वी खूप बारीक होते, मी आत्ताच जाड झाले. मग 10 वर्षाचा पिरियड
ऑफ एव्हरी वुमन.
तो 10 वर्षाचा पिरियड पण बराच मोठा असतो, त्यांना तो रिअलाइज नाही होत की 10 वर्ष इज अ बिग गॅप. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट युअर बॉडी टू बी द सेम वेन यू वर 20 years or now you're 30. You can't expect your body to be the same. That is misconception. First, आणि my strategy is like to first change the mindset. ते येऊन बसले ना माझे just half an hour.
At least.
I need that half an hour to change their mindset. की बाबा जे झालं ते झालं. You're gonna start. You said it has to be a clear slate henceforward.
Yes.
So
we should not have all the thoughts and come here.
They come with that thought.
The other thought should be, we should be open-minded whenever you come to puja.
Yeah.
So, misconceptions, and women know they are always tested by their body shape.
First impression. First impression is your body.
And everyone wants to lose the weight. It's for me also that I'll tell that next customer will be me only for puja. So what advice you give when they want to lose the weight?
Advice, I would say take it as a tip.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
The first thing is that learn to say no.
Okay.
Learn to say no to yourself. Learn to say no to your mother and your mother-in-law. एवढंसं खाल्ल्यावर काय होतंय, खा की काय होतंय. And then third is learn to say no to your friends who always hangs
it's a difficult one.
And second tip I would say is that don't pamper your taste buds.
Yes.
And don't pamper yourself. If you're putting on the weight, there is something going wrong with your body and you need to take care of that. So you can't, if you're coming to me, you have to be in that diet zone all the time.
Okay. So viewers, first of all, you be prepared before coming to puja.
I will make them prepare. You don't just come just to me.
Yeah.
I will prepare. I'm there with them. I help them every day we talk, every day we chat. So I have to be with my clients all the time.
And is it one-to-one?
Yeah. I mostly take one-to-one sessions. I don't take fitness classes.
Yeah.
For people who really seriously want to lose weight, they come to me.
And one-to-one is good because everyone is unique. You can't have the same things for all the people. And I know that you have more than 200 customers or clients who are national, international, everything. How do you deal with them?
See, as you said, every client, every coaches of mine are unique. No one is same. Everyone has different background. So I have to plan my strategy. I have to plan my meal for them based on their environment, based on their culture, and majorly based on the countries they are coming from.
So you first look into their schedule, their routine, and then you plan accordingly.
Yeah, there are I have clients who are housemakers. I have clients who are doing job.
Yes.
I have clients who are doing both.
Both.
Housemaker and job. So based on their daily routine, I need to plan. I want them to be, I don't want them to give me any reason why they didn't follow the meal plan.
Okay.
I make that sure. I give them very easy plan so that they should follow it thoroughly. No excuses tomorrow की पूजा असं केली झालं नाही झालं वगैरह नहीं.
Have you come through any your client or customer who had that great transformation?
Many, Sheetal, many. I'll give you. Just recently, I'm about to post
Yeah.
my very fresh client testimony. In next 2-3 days, you'll see it. Huge difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah. In 3 months, they lose 10 to 12 kgs.
Okay.
And inch loss is tremendous. To be very frank, from excel to medium in 3 months.
That's
you have
the dream
to.
of every Excel woman.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel at that time?
Oh, I'm at the cloud 9. That's the most happiest day for me.
Happiest
And I
day.
see them every day. I
Yeah.
see them losing inch and inch.
Yeah.
So that they are very special for me.
Okay, that's like we can imagine how the client might feel and how you might feel when there is 10 to 12 kgs of weight loss, inches loss, and everything. So that's very you are like it's a societal service nowadays. We can say because due to this junk foods and all, we are gaining weight and we don't know how to lose it.
There are a lot of distractions. You can't help. See Swiggy, Zomato on your fingertips.
Yeah.
You walk, you just step out of your house, you'll find bhaji taraale, vada taraale. No, it's very tempting. And the only one thing what is difficult on this earth is to lose weight. You can learn.
Gaining is very easy.
Gaining is easy. You can learn to dance. You can learn sing. You can do whatever you want, but losing weight is very difficult.
Does your this losing weight includes only like fitness exercise or as you are a yoga instructor also? How does the pranayama and meditation will help?
No, see, losing weight, it's not only about eating, it's also about preparing yourself to eat. Diet food is not easy to eat.
Easy to
Sheetal,
eat.
one day you'll eat, 2 days you'll eat,
Yeah.
but not on regular basis. So I have to work a lot on their mindset change. Okay, I need to make them calm. I need to make them relax first, and then slowly I help them to cultivate the habit of getting into self-care, about getting into
You're like a mother who teaches a child
to walk.
Exactly.
I'm there holding their hands and taking them on that path of losing weight.
Does meditation, pranayama are really helpful?
Yes. It helps a lot to change the mindset.
So
You accept what I'm speaking to you only when you're calm, only when you're relaxed, and only when you're in that moment at that time. Only then you'll absorb what I am asking you to do. It's if I ask you to do जाते करते खा तू नहीं करना. When I make a point to make you understand why you're supposed to eat that and why you're not supposed to eat this, that process takes time. And for that, pranayama is an awesome way to get someone into a zone to listen to you.
As you said that you will make them to realize whether to eat it or not. Frankly, I am asking, I know that I don't want to eat this, but still I will eat that. What is that difference you will make in one life? That I want to know.
Very simple. Now my clients, they literally send me the picture of the dish.
Okay.
And they ask me, "Ki मैं पूजा खाऊं क्या?" I just simply tell them that this contains around 300-400 calories. And to burn around 100 calories, you need to do 500 skippings.
Okay.
And they know what I do with them in the half an hour sessions of workout session. They know what puja make us to do. So they will not touch that again. It's all about sometimes you need to be harsh.
Yeah, harsh.
Sometimes you need to be understanding. And the calorie counting is so like that is cherry on the
cake always.
Yeah, you just throw that, then they back out. Automatically they'll back out.
So your like USPs, you are throwing the calorie count and they will tell no, will not eat it.
Sometimes yes, I do that sometimes.
So to lose weight or to get a fit body, not only fitness but even the emotional and mental health is also very important. And as you are a yoga instructor, you make them to do realize what to eat and what not to eat. Yes,
it's very simple. What I make my clients realize is that you have your body. Okay, it's you who needs to take care of your body. It's you who has to feed it healthy food and keep it active. I just make them to realize that I'm there standing with them. I have napkin, I have water bottle. I'm doing everything. But the thing, I can't go and make
Yeah,
them
yeah, yeah,
eat
yeah.
that thing. No, they should understand.
They
They
should
should realize
understand.
that. I help them to realize that those things.
Yeah, one should be like fit by body, by health, by mentally also.
Because women, they have like lot of responsibilities,
Yeah, yeah.
kids,
And we
husband,
have to run the
in-laws.
family.
Yeah, yeah,
So when we are fit, yeah, the family will be fit later.
definitely.
So what are your future goals?
I'm already working on my future goals. I'm already creating a larger and global client base.
Yes.
I want to share my knowledge with as much individuals possible. I want to help them to cultivate good eating habits, self-care, and lead a balanced life.
Yes. So what is the advice you want to give if anyone wants to do the same thing what you're doing now?
Ah.
Is it the easy job?
Yeah. The thing is that don't hesitate. If you're sure about what you're doing is right, just go ahead. Don't listen to anyone. Do what you feel right. And I always tell everyone social media is such a big blessing at this moment. Use it. Self branding is very important.
Very important.
You have to make yourself a brand. Then only people will start.
And one thing, whatever you advise, you preach, you should follow it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because people will see you and then they will come to you.
Definitely.
So that is the great advice. Whatever you preach, you follow it.
Yeah. Automatically, I am into.
Yeah. So whoever looks at you, yes, even I can tell, no, Pooja is good, like fit and all. Even if I join, I can lose my weight. Yes.
And now the thing is that it's not only about losing weight, the surrounding, situation. It's a need of art to keep yourself healthy. So just
seriously, we are not thinking in that way.
Yeah.
We are thinking just to lose the weight. But it's the need of the hour because we are surrounded by so many all pollutions, everything. So if we are fit, then the family is fit for us.
Yeah, just one thing should be in mind. We need to keep medicines away from us. And if you want to keep them away, this is the right
your take
time.
on that medicines?
No, this is the right time. You need to get into healthy habits.
Okay.
That might be food, or that might be emotional, physical, whatever it is. You need to get into healthy habits.
Do you tell that if you are like exercising regularly, eating good food and all, we can be away from medicines?
At certain yes, you can do that. You can avoid medicines. At certain limits. Yes.
Okay, at least for some which we take regularly, we can avoid.
At least the dosages. I have lot of examples, Sheetal. People coming to me with diabetes.
Okay.
The medicine has come down to half only because of diet for 3 months. It's not that they haven't stopped it, but the dosage, it's come down to half. Even the doctors were surprised. How come? What happened? What did you do? It's like that. It's just about you thinking and you doing.
Okay.
I just tell my clients to trust the process. Whatever I'm telling you, trust me. You trust the process just for 3 months. Forget about everything and just do what I'm asking you to do. If you do that, there's nothing, no looking back.
Is that any like who have gained weight later?
If you see, if you're coming to me, that shows that your metabolism is little low.
Yes.
You need to take care. If you're coming to me, you need to be into diet zone all your lifetime.
No, that is a good thing because all our ancestors said that only.
Same.
Eat healthy, be healthy.
Correct.
But in midway, we were like eating everything and we were losing our health and everything. So if there is someone like Pooja who is always to guide us, that's the blessing for us, we can tell. And for women, yes, because we hesitate always because to go to someone and tell that we are overweight, can you help me? But if we have like Pooja, we can, like a friend or like a motherly nature, we can come and we can share with you.
And one thing is that even after 3 months, I make a point to keep on asking them after 15-20 days what happened. Maintenance diet, what we follow after 3 months.
3 months.
I have to always little follow up करती है कि नहीं काय चल रहा है किती है वजन. If I keep that follow up, no, that thing just for few more months. Once they are settled with that, if I'm sure कि अपन आता ही झाली है set, then I don't trouble them anymore.
Okay.
But till then I'm there in back of their mind.
But your troubling is good only.
Yeah.
So can we have a rapid fire now?
Sure.
Okay. Healthy choices for quick bites.
Okay.
Anything that is
Okay, I'll give you unhealthy and
okay,
healthy
yeah.
options. Okay, chips is the very quick bite.
Yeah.
You can replace chips with khakra.
Okay.
Okay, Maggie is vermicelli upma what you
Okay.
can shift. Then chocolates can be replaced with chickpeas.
Okay.
And any soft drinks. I tell all my clients, any soft drinks always replace with limbu sarbat or any kind of tomato juice, beetroot juice, anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
So it's the advice for the teenage girls also.
Yeah.
Because they are more into it.
Into it. And I ask all the mothers to make some nice, yummy, tasty juices, which will help their kids to avoid those soft
Avoid.
drinks and shift to this
Yes.
juices.
If you could give one advice of to someone starting their weight journey,
Which,
one advice is if they want to start.
one thing is that when we are particularly working with women want someone to listen to them, women want someone to understand them. So I will always I tell all the people who wants to start with the weight loss journey, first you understand a female body, you feel it, and then you go ahead. Unless and until you feel that client who's sitting in right in front of you, unless and until you feel her, you're not gonna help her at
Yeah.
all. Try to be good listener, try to be understanding, make her vocal, let her
Okay.
speak out, and then you get into
I-
that. If you feel you are capable of doing that, then only you get into the weight loss coaching.
You are more like a counselor then.
I
Because
have
one
to
who listens. Because as you said, women need someone to listen.
listen.
First counseling and then the weight loss.
Women mind is very distracted. We are talking something, second moment will shift to something else. The same with the client. First two classes, so they don't listen to me. They only speak. Asay, tasay, machagari, asay, machagari. Okay, fine. First 2 days, I just make them speak, be vocal, and then later on, I slowly start getting into their head. If you feel you're capable of doing that, if you feel you're capable of understanding a female, here we are talking only about women. If you feel if you can do that, be kind, be generous, be polite, and sometimes
Be
you be
patient
harsh, be
also. You have
patient.
to listen to them.
Yeah, if you feel it, you can do all this, then you definitely get into weight loss coaching.
You are happy to go meal. What is that?
Curd rice, anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
Yes. And personally, I like poha a lot.
Okay, that's very interesting.
Yeah. Midnight also, you ask me to eat poha, I am ready to eat poha. I love poha.
Okay, food to be eaten every day.
Salads, you can't miss on salad. You have to start your meal with salad. You have to eat.
You are starting with salad only.
Yes. This
Okay.
join together, this big bowl has to be your salad. Your
Oh.
meal has to start with this salad. Make interesting salad, you start with your salad.
Food not to be eaten.
All maida products,
Okay.
all dairy products, just avoid them. Occasionally they are fine. Okay, once a week, all good, but not every day. Definitely
Is it
not.
okay once a week?
Once a week is fine, definitely.
Yeah.
जी क्यों रहे यार, थोड़ा तो एंजॉय करना चाहिए ना. इफ यू आर नॉट सपोज इतना करने का मतलब ही क्या है, अगर एक दिन का चीट मील आप नहीं खा सकते.
हाँ, cheat meal we can have once a week.
Once a week is absolutely not an issue. One meal, huh?
Okay.
Not the whole day.
Only one
meal. Yeah.
So what is your diet advice for all the women?
That's what I just said कि don't pamper your taste bud. Don't pamper yourself. नहीं खायचे म्हणजे नाही खायचे. नहीं खायचे म्हणजे नाही. Keep that for Saturday during your cheat meal. And learn to say no. नको आहे मला.
That
मी नाही खात.
everyone says. Learn to say no. That's the biggest thing and that is the biggest challenge.
Yeah, sometimes you sound rude, you sound harsh, but it's good for that moment. Just say no.
Okay, if you weren't a coach, diet and all, what you will be?
I never thought of that, Sheetal. I'm enjoying this. I'm loving
any
this.
fascination you are having?
I want to explore myself in this field a lot. There are a lot of things I want to do. I'm slowly doing it.
Okay, so it's like a great opportunity for me to have you on my podcast. Like I learned a lot of things. I know whatever you said, yeah, I know. But to learn from someone who is trained, that makes the biggest chance. Like it's added advantage for me. So like many viewers, many women who are struggling to lose their weight. So I request them to come to Pooja. So Pooja, please share your, like, if you want to share phone number, your address, if they can contact you.
Definitely, definitely. You can follow my Instagram page, Get Fit with Pooja. You'll get all my details there.
Pooja stays in Belagavi in Shantinagar. She has the Instagram handle. Please go check. You will get the more testimonials there. You can, yes, you can have the lots of pics also where the clients have reduced their weight. And please come to Pooja and share your, sorry, lose your weight and yes,
Healthy life.
healthy and lead a healthy life so that you can lead a healthy and good life for your family also. Thank you. Thank you, Pooja, for coming here.
Thank you so much, Sheetal.
Yes, thank you.